So these just came in the mail and they smell so good. I usually hate floral scents, but this is so sweet. I absolutely love it. I can't wait to start burning this and to use the bath bomb. I'm probably going to start burning the candle today and then wait till this evening for the bath bomb. And hopefully you guys will like the rings that we get. So far, I'm absolutely obsessed with this company. I didn't think I could be so obsessed with bath bombs and candles, but the rings they give you are really, really fun, and I love them. This specific order actually came with 2 additional rings. The first one is this red, white, and blue ring, and I love it. It looks way nicer than it did in the photos. So sparkly, and honestly, in person, it's just so cool. So that is the first one. Then we also got this one, which I really honestly don't like as much. I think it's weird that the diamond is so high off the actual ring itself, but I don't know, not a terrible item. And I feel the same way about it on the finger. It's just not my style, but that one is absolutely stunning. I'm so impatient, I started cutting into our candle with a knife, and there is our ring. I'm going to take the ring out and then put all of our wax back in. That worked out so much better than I thought it would, and now I'm just going to put our candle back together. There we go. It's fitting together like a puzzle. I could live with that. It's not a bad looking candle. This is absolutely my favorite ring I've gotten from them yet. It's so sparkly. I love how much sparkle there is. It's just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So this is the ring from our bath bomb. That is so pretty. This bundle was really good on the rings. Both of them are very sparkly and really, really cool. I absolutely love both of them. And then that is both of them side by side so you guys can see them. I'm super happy with this. Well, thank you guys so much for joining me. Hopefully I'll see you again soon. Bye.